It's 28th February 2025, and these are the notes I've made in the last 2 days. Like, only in the last 2 days.
Hello there, this is me Pratibha Viswas and you're watching Frankly Speaking. We had our second language Bengali exam on the 28th of February, and what all we had for IEC Bengali exam was all these three books. This one is for poetry. We had 10 poems from here. This one is our prose book. We had 10 stories from here, and this one is a novel. We had 14 chapters in here. So that's quite a lot to revise in a few days when you're getting gap days for the exam. So how are you going to proceed and study for your exam in those gap days for your second language exam? I believe that even if you have not studied your second language throughout the year, you've taken it too lightly like I have done, you at least know how the story flows, right? The plot and what the poem is about. And always make sure while you're reading poems, in the first time you're reading the poem, underline the words, the meanings to which you do not know. The second time, you make sure that you understand what the poem is trying to convey. Not just the words, but also the inner meaning of the poem. Even though I had taken Bengali very lightly throughout the year, I studied quite a bit in the last 2 days, and I made all these notes. And if you're watching one shot, I would advise you that watch it only if they are giving you the keywords and the key points. Ultimately, you will need the keywords and the key points to score marks in your exam, and you need to include all those words in your answers. So if the one shot that you're watching is not providing you with all those, then it's better to go through your workbook and underline the keywords that are there. At the end of the day, you need the marks. So how are you going to prepare if you've got gap days? Just 2 to 3 days gap for your second language exam. You can take one day. On the first day, you can complete all your poems. On the second day, you may complete all your stories. On the third day, you may move to your novel. And I believe the best way to revise a novel in the last 2 days is by going through all the question and answers that can be framed out of the book. And there are workbooks available where you get all the question and answers. Questions, don't just go through the questions. Make sure that the answers are also written. So in a gap days, if you're preparing for your second language exam, you can take one day and complete your entire stories. And in the second day, you can complete all the poems. The summaries, go through the summaries that are there in the workbook, and also the question answers, how to frame it and put the words. Then on the third day, you may move to your novel. And I believe the best way to revise a novel in the last 2 days is by going through all the question and answers that can be framed out of the book. And there are workbooks available where you get all the question and answers. Questions, don't just go through the questions. Make sure that the answers are also written, not just the PYQs, but all the question and answers that can be framed out of that. And you will be able to complete it. It's not that big of a deal. What I liked the most about the paper is that the comprehension was alright. Uh, the question answers also were so great. What I liked the most about the paper was the grammar part, because we have so much to learn for grammar for just those 10 marks, and I was so tensed about it. I did not know from where to start and where to end, but the grammar part came so easy peasy. Overall, also the paper was great.